Hello everyone, welcome to English with Uma. Do you like very easy family stories? Do you want to practice super simple everyday English at A1 to A2 level for a long time? Today, we make the story even longer with very easy words, short sentences, and lots of repeats. The title is still My Lazy Husband Has Secrets. This story is slow. It is clear. We use the same words again and again so you can understand everything. You will hear words like husband, wife, home, work, lazy, tired, job, secret, sorry, thank you, love, cook, clean, sleep, day, night, money, surprise. No big words, no fast talk, just real home talk. My friend, in real life, we sometimes think someone is lazy. We get angry, but we do not know everything. This story is long, so you can listen a lot and feel the feelings. It starts with problems, then surprise, then happy end. Before we begin, one small thing. My student, Sunita, told me, Uma, I thought my husband is lazy. He stays in bed all day. But he does online work at night for extra money. Now I make food for him when he wakes up. We are happy. Stories help us see the truth. Now, sit down, relax, close your eyes if you want. Imagine a small home in indoor, a small flat with one fan, one sofa, one TV. Here is the very long, very easy story. My Lazy Husband Has Secrets. My name is Priya. I am 32 years old. My husband's name is Rahul. He is 34. We live in a small flat in Indore. The flat has 2 rooms, 1 bedroom, 1 living room with kitchen. We have no children yet. We want children one day. Every morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock. The alarm rings. Ting, ting, ting. I get up. I go to the kitchen. I make tea for myself. I make breakfast, sometimes roti and sabzi, sometimes poha, sometimes bread and egg. I eat fast. Then I clean the kitchen table. I wash 2 plates. I put clothes in the washing machine sometimes. Then I take bath. I wear my bank uniform, white shirt, black pants. I take my bag. I say to Rahul, "Goodbye, I am going to work." Rahul is sleeping. He does not answer. He sleeps a lot. I go to the bank at 8:30. I work there all day. I sit at counter. I give money to people. I take money from people. I count notes. I talk to customers. "Hello, sir. How can I help?" "Thank you, ma'am. Sign here, please." Many people come. Some are nice. Some are angry. I feel tired. My back hurts. My eyes hurt. At 5 p.m., I finish work. I take bus home. Bus is crowded. I stand. I reach home at 7 p.m. When I open the door, Rahul is on the sofa. He wears old t-shirt and shorts. The TV is on. Cricket match or movie. His phone is in hand. Chips packet is on table. Biscuit crumbs on floor. Plates from morning are still in sink. No cleaning, no cooking, nothing. I say, "Rahul, I am home." He says, "Hi, Priya, come sit. You look tired." I say, "Yes, very tired." I sit. I wait. He does not get up. He does not make tea. He watches TV. I go to kitchen. I make tea for myself. I drink alone. Then I start cooking dinner. I cut vegetables. I make dal. I make rice. I make chapati. Rahul comes sometimes. He says, "Smells good," but he does not help. He goes back to sofa. After dinner, I wash all plates. I clean kitchen. Rahul says, "Good night, dear." He sleeps at 10 p.m. I sleep at 11 p.m. after everything. Every day is same. I work. I cook. I clean. Rahul stays home. He wakes up at 10 or 11. He eats breakfast late, he watches TV, he plays game on phone, he sleeps in the afternoon. I feel angry. I think, Rahul is lazy, very lazy. Why does he not work? Why does he not help? I am alone in this marriage. One day I say loudly, Rahul, you are so lazy. Look at the house, dirty. You do nothing. Find a job. Help me. Rahul looks sad. He says, Priya, I am looking for job. I try, but no call comes. I say, you are not trying. You just sit. Rahul is quiet. He says nothing more. I feel bad after saying that, but I am tired. I am angry. I think maybe he does not love me anymore. Then, one Friday, I come home early. It is 4 p.m. Boss said, go home early today. I walk home fast. I open the door quietly. Rahul is in the bedroom. Door is half open. I hear him talk on the phone. Yes, sir. I sent the file at 5 a.m. Yes, all correct. Numbers are good. Tomorrow also 11 p.m. start? Okay, sir. Thank you. Good night. He puts phone down. He sees me. Priya, you are early? I go inside. I close door. I ask, Rahul, who is sir? What file at 5 a.m.? Tell me now. Rahul sits on bed. He looks at floor. Priya, sit. I tell you. I sit. My heart is fast.
Rahul says slow, I have a job, a night job, from 11 at night to 6 in morning, online, on computer. I make reports for company in America. They pay good, 30,000 rupees every month. I say, job? But you sleep all day. He says, yes, I sleep daytime because I work nighttime. I did not tell you. I wanted surprise. I save money for our baby, for new fridge, for better life. I ask, how long this job? He says, 7 months. I started when I lost old job. I did not want you sad. You work hard. I want to help, so I work at night, quietly. I say, but I thought you were lazy. I was angry. I said bad things. I felt alone. Rahul says, I know, I am sorry, very sorry. I thought you say no to night job bad for health, so I hide. Big mistake. He shows phone, bank balance, money is there, 2 lakh saved. This is for us, he says. Tears come. I cry. Rahul, thank you. I am sorry. I did not know. I was wrong. He hugs me. No sorry from you. I should tell. No more secrets now. After that day, life is better. I wake up 6 a.m. I make breakfast for 2, quietly. Rahul sleeps. I keep house silent. No TV loud. No washing machine noise in morning. Rahul wakes up 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. He makes tea for me when I come home. He says, sit dear, tea ready. Sometimes he cooks, simple food, khichdi or omelette or dal rice. I say, thank you, Rahul. He smiles. We sit together every evening. We drink tea, we talk. He tells about his night work. Today, boss said good job. I tell about bank. Today, one auntie gave sweets. We go market together sometimes. We buy vegetables. We hold hands. We feel happy. 1 month later, Rahul says, Priya, I look for day job now. Night job makes me tired. I want daytime with you. I say, okay, we find together. No problem. Now, Rahul has day job interview next week. He is happy. I am happy. Every night we say, good night. I love you. We sleep close. The secret was not bad. The secret was love. Rahul was not lazy. He was working hard, in night, for us. Now we understand each other. we help each other. We talk more, we fight less. We say sorry fast. We say thank you every day. Life is simple. Life is good. The end. My friend, that was very long and very easy, right? You listened a lot. You understood the full story. Good job. Now practice time. Super easy. Listen again 2 or 3 times. First, listen and feel the story. Second, listen for words. Lazy, job, secret, sorry, thank you. Third, repeat loud. I am tired. How was your day? I am sorry. Thank you. Easy sentences to practice at home. How are you? I am tired. I love you. Thank you so much. I am sorry. No more secrets. Your small challenge. Listen this story one more time tomorrow. In comments, write 1 or 2 easy words. In my home, I. Example, in my home, I cook. In my home, I clean. Ask your family today, how was your day? Say it in English if you can. You are doing so good. Simple English is strong English. You learn step by step. Thank you for listening this long story. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your heart. I am very proud of you. Keep listening every day. Keep talking simple English. Keep loving your family. Until next time, no secrets, just practice and smile. You got this. I will see you in the next story. Take care. Heart.